Your windshield wiper motor. It's located underneath the front cowl right in front of me. The reason that this piece fails is right here. Now, if you unplug this, there's 5 tabs around the outside. Water gets up in here in this module over time, and what will happen if it does fail is your windshield wiper, the motors will not work on the majority or all settings. So right here you can see our windshield wiper motor. Right here I have it off. This won't work. No fluid will come out. This won't work. So or in my case, none of these work except for the very last mode. So if you do run into this issue, test all your settings on your turn signal, whatever lever. Now, let me close my door real quick. Here I have the new piece. I want to show you guys something on the wire too. What I have done, all right, on this new piece, okay, is I have, it looks almost like a ice cream cone. I have taken butyl tape, and that's about 3 or 4 layers, as crazy as that sounds, and I have wrapped it around this black casing. So that's what I did on that. Is it necessary? This motor lasted approximately 200,000 miles, and likely one of the reasons that led to a premature failure is I had it just exposed to the elements for like a month. I really didn't think anything of it until it obviously failed. The piece, I think this was like $250 or $300, so potentially want to save $300 and a headache down the future. I'd hate to be on a road trip or somewhere and your windshield wipers fail on you. Again, that's not a risk you need to be taking. So for that matter, I would recommend doing that with this butyl layer. Something else I want to show you guys is you can see this wire is frayed right here. Excuse me, like the black wrap is missing. There actually is a wire that's frayed right there. It's going to be really difficult to see on the camera, but trust me, it's there. What has happened is that, I don't know if it was from the factory or one of the prior owners, but how they wrapped the cord around the windshield wiper assembly essentially is when the windshield wiper would go back and forth, what it was doing is rubbing against that. So make sure when you're looking at that, take a look at the wiring harness and make sure it's wired up correctly or not laying on top of the windshield wiper motor. Now, I did read something online where you may have to put a tap into these. I've read some guys were able just to take the bolts and plug and play. I'll let you guys know about that in a future video.